In this module, we are going to talk about context of mid-19th century regarding the sociology of globalization. First wave of globalization began in the 19th century, roughly occurred around 1914. Great Britain dominated the world as British Empire was established, and they wandered the world with innovative technologies such as steam engine, latest means of transportation, steamships and trains were used to transfer the goods across thousands of miles. It was the period of first industrial revolution because Britishers were very developed at that time. That was why they were making colonies in every part of the world, and they were accumulating the wealth as well as the social capital, skillful social capital, and recruiting them back in their native land. Britain had mass production and supply of goods due to high global demand of textiles, iron, and many other manufactured products. Increased population growth also increased in the demand of commodities. It was the era when foreign direct investment was also globalizing. Britain extracted most of the benefits due to capital and advanced technology because they were having more colonies out of their native land. If you could understand, अगर आपको पता हो कि पूरा ब्रिटेन इस वक्त जो यूके है ये हमारे सूबा बलूचिस्तान से छोटा है अगर उसकी टेरिटरी के एतबार से देखा जाए, तो एक इतने छोटे मुल्क के साइज के मुल्क ने पूरी दुनिया में अपनी कॉलोनीज बनाई हुई थी. दिस इज हाउ दे रियली डिक्टेट देयर टर्म्स when they were controlling the whole world, almost making colonies everywhere, in every part of the world. In the post-World War II period, world leaders described to break down the territorial borders and encouraged the idea of free trade. Many countries got independence: India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and many others. Consequently, these newly independent countries established their economic systems and global trade increased. After the Second World War, most of the countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America came into existence, and the colonies which were under their colonial masters, they went back to their native lands, and now they want to make trade with those colonies with their terms. So they decided to have a free trade. In our previous module, we were talking about this, that it was named as free trade, but especially the people from their colonies, their prior colonies, formal colonies, they were not used to given visa so freely as compared to the developed part of the world that they could have visa at any time of any country. Politics was also globalized with the establishment of United Nations. Creation of World Trade Organization is considered highly significant in the history of globalization. As trade activities were carried out internationally, therefore there was a need of an international body like WTO to resolve global commercial disputes. If you know that China was not member of WTO before the 21st century, it became member in the 21st century, and how it made a difference in its economic size and in its economic prosperity, and still it is going on. Global free trade proved to be advantageous in following ways: more job opportunities, competition increased, lower prices for consumers, flow of foreign capital, technological exchange, material comfort. So all this was happening owing to the spread of countries after the Second World War in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Because there were more countries, so there were more exchange of relations, exchange of trade relations. Influx of information in the modern period. Governments and corporations are mutually working on ecological issues, as both share economic interests. Cultural intermingling, global flow of people encourages acceptability for cultural diversity rather than being considered as aliens. लोग एक दूसरे मुल्कों में जा रहे थे, सकाफती ताइफे जो हैं, कल्चरल ट्रूप्स वर एक्सचेंज बिटवीन कंट्रीज, अमंग कंट्रीज. ट्रेड वॉज ऑलरेडी गोइंग ऑन, लेकिन इस वक्त इन्होंने सोचा कि सकाफती सतह पर भी लोगों का आपस में मिलना जुलना भी हो, इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे मुख्तलिफ कॉन्फ्रेंसेस करें, सेमिनार्स करें, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलें, एक दूसरे की वैल्यूज को सीखें. दिस इज हाउ दे स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग दैट नाउ वी कैन हैव अनदर वे of intermingling.